Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our self-study Mandarin course. Today, we are going to learn one of the most useful and common words you will ever use in Chinese. Whether you are traveling in China, studying, or just talking to friends, you will need to know how to ask how. Today's star word is 怎么. In HSK1, 怎么 is an interrogative pronoun, which is just a fancy way of saying it's a question word. We use it specifically to ask about the method or the way of doing an action. Essentially, it translates to how to do something. Let's dive in. First, let's look at what 怎么 means and exactly where we put it in a sentence. As we just mentioned, the meaning is simply how or in what way. You use it when you need to know the method to perform an action. Now pay close attention to the placement. This is the golden rule for today. In Chinese, 怎么 always goes before the verb. This is very different from English. In English, we put our question words at the beginning of the sentence, like, how do you say this? But in Chinese, question words usually stay exactly where the answer would be. Just remember, 怎么 plus action. To make this super easy, let's look at our core formula. If you can memorize this structure, you can build hundreds of sentences. Here is the formula. Subject plus 怎么 plus verb plus object. Let's break that down. First, we have the subject, 主语, which is the person or the thing we are talking about. Next is our magic word, 怎么, which asks how. Finally, we have the verb and the object. This is the action. So, literally, Chinese grammar sounds like subject plus how plus action plus object. Let's look at some real-life examples to see this formula in action. Our first scenario is going places. You will need this if you are traveling. The verb for to go is 去. So, how to go is simply 怎么去. Following our formula, if we want to ask how to get to a place, we say subject plus 怎么 plus 去 plus place. Let's look at the example sentence. 我们怎么去学校? 我们 means we, 学校 means school. So altogether, how do we go to school? If you ask this, some common answers you might hear are 坐车, meaning by car or take a car, and 走路, meaning walk. As Chinese learners, this next example is going to be your best friend. Scenario 2 is about writing. The verb for to write is 写. If you want to ask for the steps or the strokes to write a Chinese character, you ask 怎么写, how to write. Let's look at the example. 这个汉字怎么写? 这个汉字 means this Chinese character. So altogether, how do you write this character? Teacher tip: encourage students to practice this sentence as they will use it often with their teachers. Our third scenario is for making things like recipes or processes. The verb for to do or to make is 做. So how to make is 怎么做. Look at our example. 中国饺子怎么做? 中国饺子 means Chinese dumplings. Put it together and you get how do you make Chinese dumplings? You can replace Chinese dumplings with any dish you want to learn how to cook. To wrap up our lesson today, I've put together a cheat sheet of common verbs that are frequently paired with 怎么. These are essential survival phrases. Let's read through them together. 说, to say or to speak. Phrase, 这个汉语怎么说? Meaning, how do you say this in Chinese? Point at something and ask this when you don't know the vocabulary. 读, to read. Phrase, 这个字怎么读? Meaning, how do you pronounce this or read this character? 买, to buy. Phrase, 这个东西怎么买? Meaning, how do I buy this? Great for markets or online shopping. 走, to walk or to go. Phrase, 去商店怎么走? Meaning, how do I get to the store? Note that 怎么去 asks about the method of transport, but 怎么走 is specifically asking for walking directions or the route. Conclusion. All right, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Remember the golden rule, 怎么 plus verb. For your homework, look around your room, point to an object, and try asking, how do you say this in Chinese using the phrase we just learned? Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class. 再见.
这个汉字怎么写？这个汉字怎么写？
我来教你怎么写。我来教你怎么写。
那个字怎么读？那个字怎么读？
那个字读大门的门。那个字读大门的门。
中国菜怎么做？中国菜怎么做？
我妈妈知道怎么做。我妈妈知道怎么做。
这个水果怎么吃？这个水果怎么吃？
洗一洗就可以吃。洗一洗就可以吃。
这个杯子怎么卖？这个杯子怎么卖
？10块钱一个杯子。10块钱一个杯子。
火车票怎么买？火车票怎么买？
你可以在电脑上买。你可以在电脑上买。
我们怎么去医院？我们怎么去医院？
我们坐出租车去吧。我们坐出租车去吧。
火车站怎么走？火车站怎么走？
向前走就到了。向前走就到了。
新手机怎么用？新手机怎么用？
我看看怎么帮你。我看看怎么帮你。
这个药怎么吃？这个药怎么吃？
饭后吃2个。饭后吃2个。
汉语怎么学最好？汉语怎么学最好？
多听多说最好。多听多说最好。
每天怎么去上班？每天怎么去上班？
我坐公共汽车去。我坐公共汽车去。
这个门怎么开？这个门怎么开？
向右边开门。向右边开门。
我怎么找王老师？我怎么找王老师？
给他打电话吧。给他打电话吧。
下雨了怎么回家？下雨了怎么回家？
我们坐朋友的车。我们坐朋友的车。
这个问题怎么回答？这个问题怎么回答？
我也不知道。我也不知道。
苹果怎么卖？苹果怎么卖？
5块钱一个。5块钱一个。
怎么看这个电影？怎么看这个电影？
在电视上看。在电视上看。
机场怎么去最快？机场怎么去最快？
坐出租车很快。坐出租车很快。
这个茶怎么喝？这个茶怎么喝？
放一点热水。放一点热水。
咖啡怎么做？咖啡怎么做？
用热水做咖啡。用热水做咖啡。
这件衣服怎么穿？这件衣服怎么穿？
我帮你穿衣服。我帮你穿衣服。
这本书怎么还？这本书怎么还？
给学校老师吧。 给学校老师吧。
这个礼物怎么送？这个礼物怎么送？
明天给他吧。明天给他吧。
去饭店怎么走？去饭店怎么走？
向前走就到了。向前走就到了。
太累了，怎么休息？太累了，怎么休息？
坐在椅子上吧。坐在椅子上吧。
衣服怎么洗？衣服怎么洗？
用水洗衣服。用水洗衣服。
篮球怎么打？篮球怎么打？
我明天教你打。我明天教你打。
这首歌怎么唱？这首歌怎么唱？
听我唱一次。听我唱一次。
手表怎么看？手表怎么看？
现在是10点。现在是10点。